news just coming in fact, as the Taliban take over Afghanistan. Now, the Afghan embassy has said that there has been unusual activity that's been detected on their Twitter account. Earlier, the Afghan embassy, India's Twitter account, posted tweets slamming the former President Ashraf Ghani over the situation that's unfolding in the country. Thereafter, these tweets were all deleted. Meanwhile, Abdul Haq Azad, the press secretary of the Afghan embassy in India, has said that he has lost access to the Twitter handle of the Afghan embassy in India. So, unusual activity reported on Twitter as well. This comes even as there is fear and confusion that's reigning across Afghanistan as people over there try to make sense of the swift takeover of the Taliban. The latest that we are getting over there, of course, is that US forces now say that they have secured the perimeter of the airport and more than 60 countries have now issued a joint statement asking the Taliban to allow people to leave. To get us the latest as far as the takeover perhaps of the Twitter account of the Afghan embassy in India is concerned, Natasha joins me from the news desk. Good morning, Natasha. Give us more details of what you are learning about this. The embassy, of course, says that there has been unusual activity on their Twitter account.
Yes, Nupur. So this tweet seems to have gone viral from the official handle of Afghan Embassy India. It's a verified Twitter account. Although they have now come out with a clarification saying there was unusual activity, and the press secretary of the Afghan embassy has now released a statement saying that I have lost access to Twitter handle of Afghan Embassy India. A friend sent a screenshot of this tweet. He's attached the tweet here. And he says, I have tried to log in but can't access it and seems it is hacked. So this tweet that has gone viral seems to be fake, and the verified account of Afghan embassy seems to be compromised. The tweets have now been deleted. So it's still here. Abdul Haq Azad, who's the press secretary to Afghan embassy, has released a statement, come out with a clarification, and you can read this on republicworld.com. Back to you.
All right, Natasha, thank you for joining us. Well, this comes even as, of course, there is confusion all across Afghanistan, and fear is mounting as the Taliban have taken control of the country. There have, of course, apart from activity like this, been reports that suggest that Afghans are now desperate to leave the country, and the US seems to have lost control of the country as well. But the latest development from there seems to suggest that the United States has now secured the perimeter around the Kabul airport, which right now is the main hub for movement out of Afghanistan.